Is your company experiencing accelerated growth? Do you have an IT department or IT staff member already on site, but looking for assistance with the rapidly changing technology landscape and cybersecurity risks? Do you want to empower your IT team to stay focused on what they excel at? TheCompuLab's co-managed IT solution is the perfect combination of service and support, blending the power of your in-house knowledge and skills with our IT expertise and tools. So, what are some of the things and tools we can implement to help your business? Smart ticketing system, disaster recovery planning, cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure support, 24/7 monitoring and alerts, network administration and support, help desk support, vendor and licensing management. Our goal is to create a long-lasting business relationship with your IT team to help your business move forward and give you and your team full visibility of and control of your network. What are you waiting for? Let us help you help your team boost their efforts by working with us and letting them focus on what they do best. Call us today for a free consultation, 954-507-6970, or visit our website at TheCompuLab.com.